Um, I'm so confused. This is the July. Let me start over. I got the bags mixed up. Hold the phone. Hi guys, Ann here, and today we have the July Ipsy Extra. I was like, is that upside down? I think the last video I posted was the March Ipsy, I want to say. It's been some months since I filmed a video on this channel. This is a long intro. I haven't filmed for a while. If you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Extra for July 2026, keep on watching. Okay, like I said, we have our Ipsy Extra. At the end, after I do the unboxing, if you want to know like where I've been, what's been going on and all that, I'll keep that towards the end. And let me know down below. So I have May Ipsy Extra. I have the icon box. I have the June Ipsy Extra. Let me know, are you guys still interested in seeing that? Maybe I could try the products on. I'll put it all in one video, or you don't care because it's been a while. Let me know. But anyway, let's get started with the July. So it comes in a bag now. I know last month was a bag as well. I haven't opened it up, so I don't even know what's in there. But let's see. Oh gosh. Remember the, what's it called? And the bags came like this where you would get a razor, refreshments. That's how it used to come. So does it not come in the boxes anymore? I don't know. This says June. I'm so confused. So this is the June one. I just got this the other day. I thought it was July. Well, what is this then? I'm so confused. This is the July. Let me start over. I got the bags mixed up. Hold the phone. Squash that. Oh gosh, this is already a hot mess. This is the July bag. I know you guys watching, it was probably like, no, that was the June. So it comes like this. I don't know what I prefer. Let me know if you prefer the bags or the boxes. I mean, the boxes you just threw away. You can always keep these, but I'd be scared that like something would break, you know? Okay, let's see. So this is the July Ipsy. She's gorgeous. Okay, let me go get my other phone, and that way I could get prices and everything else for you. I'll be back. I just realized since I'm filming on the 30th, nothing's in the Ipsy app. So I'll like Google the prices and stuff for you. So the first thing I got, and I absolutely love this skincare brand. This is the Earth Harbor. Love this brand. It is the Siren Silk Bio Retinol Hydration Cream. Okay. There has been nothing from this brand that I haven't liked. I really enjoy this. This brand used to be in the Bella box. Who remembers the Bella box, which was a skincare box? Okay, so that's what it looks like. All right, so you don't get a safety seal, but it comes. You see that? Let me take the blurring feature off. Let me see. Let me see if you can see it better now. I'm not sure. I think so. Oh, and it's nice and thick. This is how I like my creams. I like the thinner creams for day, but the thick creams for night. Okay, this is good. And it has like a fresh smell. I like this. Siren Silk. Okay. Let me look that up real quick and get the price. So this is $46. $46. This pays for the box right here. If you don't know, the Ipsy Extra is $32.99 a month, and then you pay $1.99 shipping or handling fee or something like that. So, like I said, this pays for it right here. Okay, moving on. I like this brand too. This is from Pure Lease. This is the AHA plus PHA Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask. You guys know I love exfoliators. Oh, I'm so happy. So it says you put this on, you leave it for 10 or 15 minutes, and then you remove it. Okay. And that's what she looks like. So this right here is $38. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we have is from Drunk Elephant. Yes, this is the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Cocoa Extract Peptides. What you be? I've had this before and tried it. So this is like bronzing drops, I think. I'm gonna look at it, or is it the highlighting? I'm not sure. No, the highlighting because it says sunshine drops, but it's more like skincare too, you know? Let's see. Oh gosh. Okay. I'll put a little too much on. Or is this the bronzing? This has to be the bronzing. I'm gonna look it up, but I put way too much on it. Okay, so this is $39, and it's a peptide-infused bronzing serum that mimics a sun-kissed glow without the UV damage. Okay, I did try this before, and I tried the blush. I do like it. I just put way too much on. You literally only need like a drop, and then, you know, I'm adding everything up, so at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much everything cost. Okay, so we have 2 more items. The next thing is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is a tubular lip tint. These are popular. My friend Chicago, she always gets like a lip stain or lip tint, and she really likes it. What shade you be? This is in Cassette Crush. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Look. Is that the sponge? No, that's the... Look at that. I don't know if it's a color I would wear. It goes with my shirt and my eyeshadow, huh? I don't know. But again, I need to get out of my comfort. Maybe with a darker lip liner, you know, maybe a brownish red lip liner, and then put this in the center. I could do that. Okay, let me see how much that is. Okay, what it says, this is a tubular lip tint that is hydrating, waterproof lip color designed for all-day smudge-proof wear. Okay, but how much is the price? So these are $16. The lip liner is $18. Last but not least, we got a palette. This is from Elamar Cosmetics, and this is her new palette. It's called the Permisa. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, and I don't want to butcher it. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, it looks like that. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, let me show you the back. But, so you get a mirror, but look at this. Look at these colors. So the top is shimmers, the bottom is matte. And you know we got to swatch it. Hold the phone. Let me get this off. Okay, so I'm going to do the shimmers first. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. I mean, look at this. That's gorgeous. That's just going in once. One time. Look at that. This has to be, I think this is a duochrome. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Now, I swatched this on my pinky, so it's not a great swatch, but you know. Okay, that's the 4. I don't know how much this will show up because it's like a cream. Okay, I went in twice with this so that you can just see the color, but look at that. And if you're new, I have a skin out. That's not a ringworm. I get asked that a lot. It's, I have like the skin allergy. It's coming on this hand again too, so. But that's pretty. All right, let me look up the price. So that's why I always take the swatches right off if I remember, because of the allergy that I have. Okay, so this is $28, and I definitely think it's worth it. It's called the Princessa. I don't know how to say the rest. I'll put it on the screen. All right, let me add up all the prices, and I'll let you know what the retail value for my July box was. $167. That's not bad. That's not bad. So we got the palette. This is her newest palette. We got the lip stain. This is the only thing like, only because of the color. We got the Perlice exfoliating mask, which I'm happy for. I'm very happy for the Earth Harbor Siren Silk Cream. And then we got the bronzing drops, which is great because it's summertime. It's for July. You know what I mean? So I love it. I think if I had to rate this on a scale 1 to 5, 1, I'm throwing in the trash, 5, I'm doing cartwheels, I say like a 3.5 to 4. Not bad. I think what would make it best is a mascara, because you know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I think it was a really good. Let me know down below, what do you think of the bags? Do you like getting the bags? Do you not? Like I said, I prefer the bags because you can use these. The boxes I just throw away. But then it's like, I am kind of scared if something breaks, but my palette didn't break. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, so if you made it this far, I'll be really quick about it. So I have a vlog channel, Just Anne's World. I always leave in the description, but I'll leave a pinned comment. I tend to film more over there, even though I'm not consistent. I'm not very consistent over there, but I do film a little bit more over there. I get more personal. So I've just been dealing with some health issues. Most of you know that I am diabetic. I've been diabetic for over 30 years. I am type 1 diabetic. I have heart issues. I had a stent put in 2022. I had a heart attack in 2022. And I also have kidney disease. And that's all from uncontrolled diabetes. My fault. I didn't take care of myself like I was supposed to. And so for a while, I was like dizzy, shortness of breath. I go up the stairs. I felt like I was going to pass out. So I had to get a lot of tests done and stuff. And then being on different medication, I was on 4 blood pressure pills, a water pill, you know, all of that can kind of, you know, they changed my insulin. They have me now, they want me on an insulin pump. All of that just takes time for your body, like shocks your body, you know. And so that's what that was. And so I was trying to, you know, when you don't feel good, it also messes with your mental health, you know. So it was all of that. And I've been doing YouTube. I've been doing this channel since 2017. And I went through a lot since even just doing this channel, from my mother passing away, my grandmother passing away, my daughter having open heart and lung surgery, going through a divorce, having a heart attack, all different things. And I really never took time off. I mean, the past year or two, I'm not as consistent as I once was, right? I mean, there for a while, I put 5, 6 videos out a week. But I never took like months off consistently without putting anything up and just focusing on myself. And that's just what I needed to do. My daughter's father passed away last year. This past May made 1 year. He was just 50 years old. He would have been 51 in August. And he died from the disease I have, diabetes. And so I really had to take it's serious, especially for my daughter, you know, because her father had it. He passed away. I have it, wasn't taking care of myself. And so I didn't want her to go through that again when it's something I can control more, a little bit more. You know what I mean? So that's basically what's been going on. I'm back now, and I didn't want to come back. I noticed what I was doing a lot, even on my vlog channel. I'd say, okay, I feel better. I'm back. And then I don't feel good and I'm gone again. And I didn't want to do that on this channel. So I took the time off so that I knew I felt better. My mental health is in the best it's been since before my mother passed. And that's the truth. Now, I don't have like the energy and all that like I once did, you know, and I just turned 50 in April. But it's coming back. You know, but I don't feel dizzy. I'm not shaky. You know, I really feel good. And I just needed that time away. So hopefully you guys stay. I do apologize. Maybe I should have made like a little video letting you guys know that I wasn't going to be here. But I had no idea I would be gone this long, honestly, you know. So I don't know. That is what's been going on. If you want to get to know me more on a personal level, follow my vlog channel. And yeah, let me know if you want to see the other boxycharms all in one video. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, hype the video. We got to get back in the algorithm. We must get back in the algorithm. So hyping it really does help. Leave a comment, even if it's just an emoji. That helps out with engagement. Share my videos if you think somebody else would enjoy them. And then also let me know down below what type of content would you like to see besides unboxings on this channel. I forget my outro. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys.